Let us prepare Kosambari, a simple yet a wholesome dish that adds extra protein to your meals.
Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a large mixing bowl, add 200 grams of soaked moong dal, 1 cup grated carrots, 1 cup boiled sweet corn, 1 cup cucumber, 1 cup raw mango, either sliced or grated, 1 cup peeled pomegranate, 1 cup freshly grated coconut. Add some coriander leaves. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon pepper powder and salt as per taste. Mix this well. Moong dal has to be soaked in hot water for 2 hours. Add some tempering with mustard seeds and curry leaves if desired for extra flavor. Chamail ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.